Now here I want to create a small zoom animation that happens within my video. I can do that by clicking on the video that I want to create the animation on. Then on scale, we're going to press the keyframe button next to it. And then we'll do the same thing for the position. Now I'll go with my playhead a bit deeper into the video here. We'll bring the scale up from 100% up to about 115%. And then with the position, we can just simply drag our video. And I want to make sure that we're zooming into the Texas flag. So I'm going to bring it up here so that way the scale kind of goes up towards the flag. And then I'll zoom into my timeline here to get a better look at my keyframes. In the same way we had it with the audio, we can see our keyframes here appear on the video layer. Now, if you look and see here on our first keyframe, it's not actually happening at the beginning of the clip. So if I go back with my playhead, you can see that the zoom doesn't start happening until this first keyframe, but I actually want it to start a little bit before. To fix that, we can adjust the timing between the two keyframes. Like for example here, if I were to take the first keyframe and drag it way closer to my ending keyframe and then press play, that zoom is going to happen super fast. But if I bring it all the way to the beginning, and then I bring this ending keyframe all the way to the end, and then I preview the clip, there's going to be a nice gradual zoom that happens throughout the whole clip. So you can also adjust the distance between your keyframes to increase the timing of things as well.